Becoming a certified public accountant, CPA, is a dream for many aspiring accountants and finance professionals. The CPA-Regulation, Reg, is one of the CPA certification programs, which is a daunting task for many, especially considering the breadth of topics it covers. But don't worry, we have got you covered. We offer real CPA regulation exam practice questions that will help you pass your exam smoothly and with ease. 4 sections for CPA certification. The CPA certification exam contains 4 sections, including Auditing and Attestation, AUD, Business Environment and Concepts, BEC, Financial Accounting and Reporting, FAR, Regulation, Reg. Each section of the exam allows a 4-hour time frame for completion. The format is computerized, granting test takers the option to take a 15-minute break during each section. The exam takes place at specifically designated testing centers. This video will share everything you need to know about the CPA-Regulation exam. The CPA-Regulation exam primarily focuses on 3 key areas: business law, ethics, and federal taxation. The topic that receives the most attention is federal taxation in its various forms, which makes up over half of the exam. The Reg section of CPA consists of 5 testlets, 2 testlets of multiple-choice questions, MCQs, and 3 testlets of task-based simulations, TBSs. The MCQ portion of Reg accounts for 50% of your CPA exam score, and the TBS portion accounts for the other 50%. Real CPA regulation exam practice questions. CPA regulation exam practice questions of Kill Test are real and are designed to help you prepare for the actual exam. They are created by experienced professionals who have a deep understanding of the exam's content and format. Our practice questions are updated regularly to ensure that they reflect the latest exam trends and topics. With our practice questions, you will get a feel for the actual exam and improve your chances of passing it on the first try. 1. Parker, whose spouse died during the preceding year, has not remarried. Parker maintains a home for a dependent child. What is Parker's most advantageous filing status? A. Single. B. Head of household. C. Married filing separately. D. Qualifying widow, with dependent child. Answer. D. 2. In which of the following situations may taxpayers file as married filing jointly? A. Taxpayers who were married but lived apart during the year. B. Taxpayers who were married but lived under a legal separation agreement at the end of the year. C. Taxpayers who were divorced during the year. D. Taxpayers who were legally separated but lived together for the entire year. Answer. A. 3. In evaluating the hierarchy of authority in tax law, which of the following carries the greatest authoritative value for tax planning of transactions? A. Internal Revenue Code. B. IRS regulations. C. Tax court decisions. D. IRS agents' reports. Answer. A. 4. Dare, an employee of Source C Corporation, is not a shareholder. Which of the following would be included in a taxpayer's gross income? A. Employer-provided medical insurance coverage under a health plan. B. A $10,000 gift from the taxpayer's grandparents. C. The fair market value of land that the taxpayer inherited from an uncle. D. The dividend income on shares of stock that the taxpayer received for services rendered. Answer. D. 5. Adams owns a second residence that is used for both personal and rental purposes. During 2001, Adams used the second residence for 50 days and rented the residence for 200 days. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Depreciation may not be deducted on the property under any circumstances. B. A rental loss may be deducted if rental-related expenses exceed rental income. C. Utilities and maintenance on the property must be divided between personal and rental use. D. All mortgage interest and taxes on the property will be deducted to determine the property's net income or loss. Answer. C. 6. On December 1, 1997, Crest, a self-employed cash-basis taxpayer, borrowed $200,000 to use in her business. The loan was to be repaid on November 30, 1998. Crest paid the entire interest amount of $24,000 on December 1, 1997. What amount of interest was deductible on Crest's 1997 income tax return? A. $0. B. $2,000. C. $22,000. D. $24,000. Answer. B. 7. Which payments are included in a recipient's gross income? I. Payment to a graduate assistant for a part-time teaching assignment at a university. Teaching is not a requirement toward obtaining the degree. 2. A grant to a PhD candidate for his participation in a university-sponsored research project for the benefit of the university. A. I only. B. To only. C. Both I and to. D. Neither I nor to. Answer. C. 8. During 1993, K received interest income as follows. On U.S. Treasury certificates $4,000. On refund of 1991 federal income tax $500. The total amount of interest subject to tax in K's 1993 tax return is A. $4,500. B. $4,000. C. $500. D. $0. Answer. A. 9. DAC Foundation awarded Kent $75,000 in recognition of lifelong literary achievement. Kent was not required to render future services as a condition to receive the $75,000. What conditions must have been met for the award to be excluded from Kent's gross income? I. Kent was selected for the award by DAC without any action on Kent's part. 2. Pursuant to Kent's designation, DAC paid the amount of the award either to a governmental unit or to a charitable organization. A. I only. B. To only. C. Both I and to. D. Neither I nor to. Answer. C. 10. Freeman, a single individual, reported the following income in the current year. Guaranteed payment from services rendered to a partnership $50,000. Ordinary income from A.S. Corporation $20,000. What amount of Freeman's income is subject to self-employment tax? A. $0. B. $20,000. C. $50,000. D. $70,000. Answer. C.